Hey guys, how's it going? Me, Tom, here again. Flying the old Blizzard. Alright, so I got a Turnigy motor in there with a 3-cell LiPo. Spinning a 9.9 on there. It's a Turnigy 36 something 1250 I think kV. So it does about 100, but anything more than that it starts to get some flutter, and I even reinforced the wings double with the tape. Can't see it, but it's got the extra filament tape on there, and it still does flutter. So I don't push it much more than 100 about. So it's about it. A 3-cell LiPo 30C HS65 in the tail, and I think HXT9s in the ailerons. So give it a toss here. I already ripped off one motor, I lost one motor and the whole nose. I had to replace the nose section from here forward because the nose completely ripped off the airplane and I lost it somewhere. So here we go. Give it a toss. Started to get a little flutter with that pass there, and that wasn't even super fast. But it's good. Got some vertical on it. Just take it up there and glide it around. Doesn't have the folding prop. I do get some drag when I'm gliding it. I'm not really flying it as a glider, I'm just flying it as a buzzer. about it with the video, guys. I'm gonna land it, cut the video, and just take it up real high and cruise it around. Uh-oh. How's it touch and go? I should just plop it in the grass over there. It might do some damage to the wing. There it is, guys. A little windy today, but that's okay for the blizzard. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching the episode of That Game.